Hey, what's up, guys?
This past week we were together hanging out, talking about the new build we're going to do. I want to do a boat.
Which I think is a terrible idea because people belong on the land, they do not belong on the water.
Randy's trying to talk us into doing a kayak, but no, we're doing a speedboat.
Oh, come on. Am I actually doing that?
Yeah. Alright, we're bringing in the boat project. Okay, open them.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, no, it's perfect. Look at it.
It's not exactly what I had envisioned.
Dude, it's got a belt and a steering wheel already. We're halfway there.
I'm just more comfortable on like bigger boats, you know, like the Titanic or something.
But those don't go fast.
Why is it always about speed with you? Look at it. It doesn't have anything for like if we do die. There's no. What are those? The floaty things.
Yeah, we'll have those. It's fine.
There's holes in it from the factory.
Yeah, but it has a plug.
Oh man.
The hole has a plug. It's fine.
It's
got a steering wheel, a boat. Look, it's got a roll cage on it.
It's a roll cage.
It's perfect.
It's literally designed to sit on the land with land in it.
So then you'll be happy. You don't like being in the water. You'll be on land again. I'll put some dirt in the bottom.
I will be in a little thin piece of plastic, probably doing 180 miles an hour, knowing you. On some water in the middle of the ocean, probably, because it's always go big or go home.
Well, dude, listen. So we got a boat now. Now we need to put a motor on it. So I got us a 20 horse.
Oh my goodness. How do you, where's it going to go?
It hangs off the back.
Okay.
So it's fine.
And
it'll hang off the back.
And you don't think it's going to do wheelies the whole time?
Well, I mean, it might, but whatever.
I guess wheelies are okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh.
Dude, if we go fast, I'm going to pull you in a tube.
Why is it getting worse for me? I want to be not in a boat. So you put me out of a boat in the water.
Exactly, it's perfect.
It makes sense. Not really.
No, it's fine. It's fine. So we're going to put foam in it.
Okay.
That's going to make it float.
I hope.
And yeah, we're good.
And then we're going
to put a motor on.
Bolt a big old motor on the back?
Yeah. That may or may not run. We're not sure yet. We'll get there in a minute.
And it may cause the whole thing to just do backflips when you give it gas because of how far back it's going to be.
I know nothing about boats at all, other than like how to canoe. So we're just going to do stuff.
So just in case, we'll bring some paddles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess it's getting a little better.
Okay. And look, it's got a 1-800 number on the side in case something goes wrong.
I'm not going to have my phone on me.
It's fine.
All right.
Okay, let's do it.
I guess we don't have a choice.
Fact. Dude, look, a motor.
Yeah, it's definitely a motor.
It's made by Mercury, like a Ford.
So, your intention is to mount this, however much it weighs, to a 5-pound piece of plastic.
Absolutely.
And that sounds like a great idea?
Yes, it's 20 horsepower. It's perfect.
It's not that. It's not.
It's perfect. We're going to go fast.
We're going to go fast once and never come back. And it's going to be like, oh, where'd they go? I don't know. They're in the bottom of the lake in a sandbox. They never came back.
Gina has infinite lungs. She'll be fine.
Hopefully she can tell everyone where we are.
Maybe. I mean, look, you can steer it.
Yeah,
it's got a throttle.
I hope so.
It's got a pull start.
It does have one of those.
It's got a reverse hood scoop.
This
is everything you need to go fast.
I don't know, man. I'm a little skeptical.
Listen, Gina did the math already, and it's going to float.
Oh. Are we going to test it in like a swimming pool or?
No.
Oh.
We're just going to do it, and we're going to put it in the river, and we're going to go for a ride. And if it works, you're going tubing.
If it works, I don't want to talk about it ever again. And you can go tubing.
If it works, you go tubing, then I'll go tubing.
Oh, I gotta go tubing first?
I'll bet you a blizzard that this works.
Okay, you're on.
All right, dude. We need racing stripes because it's a racing boat.
I think we should put some sweet hot rod flames on it because it's not a racing boat, it's a hot rod boat. Because we're taking something that was never meant to do something and we're making it do something.
Do you know anybody who can draw flames?
I have markers.
I can draw stick people.
What does that have to do with flames?
Well, I'm not good at stuff, but we can try.
I'll draw it on.
It might look like a bunch of like twigs or tree branches or something when I'm done.
Who cares?
So
They're only going to see it once and we'll never see it again because we're going to die.
Because it's so fast, they can't view it?
Oh, boy.
What about Gina? Where's Gina gonna sit?
She can go right on top.
Okay.
Where she belongs.
Ring the bell in case we're in duress.
Yeah. She's a savior, so she can belong in the front.
Yeah. She's like the captain. She's gotta go down with the boat.
Well, we're all going down with the boat.
Why do you hate it so much?
Because I don't want to die, okay? I'm a little bit young, so I don't want to never come back. I don't have a will written up or anything.
Should probably do that. It's going to be perfect. The foam is going to outweigh everything. It'll be fine.
I just feel like it's going to sit funny, and we're going to give it any amount of throttle, it's going to roll over, and we're going to be trapped under it and die.
All of these things could happen. I don't know anything about boats, but it'll be fun.
Okay. As long as Gina's math checks out, which it always does.
Yeah, she'll be fine. She ain't going to let you die.
Not me. I mean, you, though.
Yeah, I'm probably dead. That's why I got 2 blasts.
No, you should tube first so you're out of the boat when it goes down in flames.
I was trying to save you.
I like that. I appreciate that.
I got you.
But what about Gina?
She's got infinite lung. She's fine.
Okay.
Just let her sink with it. We'll save her at the end.
Send out a search team for her because we're going to need a search team on call.
Dude, I think the river will be a perfect spot to test this.
The whole river.
Well, I mean, it's big.
It's
drive
big.
around.
And how do you plan on turning it good? The bottom's flat.
Well, there's a little cover that goes on here to keep the rain out, off the sand, because that's what it's supposed to be.
Yes.
We're just gonna put that on the bottom
With Scotch tape and glue.